Hello, I am Siam Pusalai, motivation speaker and business coach. Start your business with zero or low investment. Money should not be a good excuse for not starting a business. There are many loans, grants, and other fundraising options like crowdfundings. Beyond that, there are certain types of business that you can start with zero or low investment. For starting a business, three things are the most important. First, wonderful business idea. Second, wealth or capital. Third, human resources. If you have wealth and business idea, then you are lucky. If you have business idea and don't have wealth, it doesn't mean that you cannot start a business. There are many business ideas that you can start with low or zero investment. See, success don't come to you, you go to it. Success is not by chance or by luck. Success is by choice. Struggle hard and make your business successful. See, rich people says wealth is nothing. Business idea is everything. Poor people says business idea is nothing. Wealth is everything. Poor people value the wealth. Rich people value the business idea. So both of them are important, but to have a good business and successful life, you need to have a wonderful business idea. All people who become successful, popular, and great are those people who started with zero investment or low investment. I'm going to put the link of those people below. Please click on the link and see the people who started with zero investment and they are very much successful now. Three types of people can start their business anytime, anywhere with low or zero investment. First, the people who have got professional skill. For example, you have got your bachelor degree, master degree, or PhD. You can have your own business. You know how to run your business through your professional field and capacity. You can lead a business, you can start a business. Second, people who have technical skill. For example, technicians or the people who are repairing the mobiles, telephones, computers, graphic and video designers or editors, as well as some enterprise system developers. These people can start their own business with zero investment. Third, the artists. For example, the musicians, models, public speakers, makeup artists, film stars or filmmakers. These people can start their own business with zero investment or low investment. At this stage, I'm going to explain the business ideas that you can start with zero investment or low investment. First, website development. If you are good in website development and website marketing, you can earn more. Second, contract writing or legal advising. Third, resume writing and advising center. Fourth, career development business. 5, online coaching. 6, YouTube channel or social media business. 7, branding and communication consultant. 8, small business marketing consultant. 9, voice over talent. If you have this talent, if you have good voice, this is a very good opportunity. Start this business. You can earn more. 10, make an online movies website. For example, if you see Tulu TV developed the Daria online portal, as well as Iranian people developed the Amuzad.ir. They are selling their movies, their serials, as well as earning from the internet and earning from the people who are buying their cards. 11, college or university advising. 12, freelance content marketing. 13, translation business. 14, freelance proofreading and editing. 15, be an online seller or e-commerce. 16, starting blogging. 17, modeling. 18, visiting trainer. For example, if you're an English trainer or computer trainer, you can start visiting and training people. If you have other professional field, you can start training in your own field. 19, writing books and selling online and offline. 20, graphic and video editing and designing. 21, repair or skill-based services, for example, mobile and computer repairing. 22, accounting consultancy. You can support individuals as well as businesses with taxations, payroll, fraud investigation, financial management, and many more. These are the most important business ideas that you can start with zero investment or low investment, but it has one condition: it needs your internal capacity. Again, if you're not ready for starting a business, I'm going to advise you the last advice that I'm not going to advise people on this. Go and have a job, prepare yourself for your own business. If you want to start your own business, please contact us. We provide a handsome discount because of the COVID-19. Just use this discount, come in, start your own business right now. We will provide you the templates, formats, modules, and we will polish your business ideas. I am very sure that you will have fast growth in your business.